How AI will replace human intelligence. In the rapidly evolving landscape of technology, artificial intelligence, AI, stands out as one of the most transformative and awe-inspiring innovations of our time. As we navigate the intricacies of AI's capabilities, it prompts us to contemplate the profound question: can AI replace human intelligence? Understanding AI's capabilities. Before we dive into the question of whether AI can replace human intelligence, it's crucial to comprehend the capabilities that AI possesses in the current state of technological advancement. AI systems, particularly those powered by deep learning and neural networks, have demonstrated remarkable proficiency in tasks that were once exclusively the domain of human intelligence. These tasks encompass data analysis and pattern recognition, the AI advantage. AI excels at processing vast volumes of data, identifying patterns, and drawing insights that are often beyond human capacity. In fields like finance, healthcare, and scientific research, AI algorithms can analyze data with lightning speed, detecting correlations and trends that inform critical decisions. For instance, in the healthcare industry, AI can analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, to detect abnormalities with a level of accuracy that rivals or surpasses human radiologists. The ability to process and analyze data at such scale and precision is where AI showcases its potential to complement and enhance human intelligence. Natural language processing (NLP), AI's linguistic prowess. Natural language processing (NLP) enables AI to comprehend and generate human language. Chatbots, virtual assistants, and language translation tools are examples of AI applications that have reached a level of sophistication that was once the stuff of science fiction. AI-powered chatbots engage in conversations with users, providing customer support or information retrieval in real time. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa can understand spoken commands, answer questions, and perform tasks, making them integral parts of our daily lives. Furthermore, language translation tools have evolved to the point where they can bridge linguistic barriers in real time, facilitating global communication. The ability of AI to understand and manipulate language is a testament to its potential to mimic aspects of human intelligence, particularly in the realm of linguistic prowess. Computer vision, AI's visual acumen. Computer vision is another domain where AI showcases its prowess. AI systems equipped with computer vision algorithms can interpret and make sense of visual information from images and videos. This capability has far-reaching applications, from facial recognition for security purposes to autonomous vehicles that perceive and navigate their surroundings. In healthcare, AI-powered computer vision can assist in diagnosing medical conditions by analyzing medical images such as CT scans and detecting anomalies. AI's capacity to process and interpret visual data has the potential to enhance our understanding of the world and augment human capabilities in fields that rely heavily on visual information. Creativity and generative AI, redefining artistry. One of the most intriguing aspects of AI is its ability to generate creative content. Generative AI models such as GPT-3 can produce written content that is often indistinguishable from human writing. These models have been used to create poetry, stories, and even news articles. In the realm of visual arts, AI algorithms can generate paintings, music, and other forms of artistic expression. While AI's creativity is algorithmic and data-driven, it challenges our conventional notions of creativity and raises questions about the boundaries between human and machine-generated art. The coalescence of AI's data-driven creativity and human artistic sensibilities has given rise to collaborative endeavors where AI augments and inspires human creativity. Problem-solving and optimization, AI's analytical mind. AI has demonstrated remarkable problem-solving abilities, particularly in domains that involve optimization and decision-making. In logistics, AI algorithms can optimize supply chain routes, minimizing costs and improving efficiency. In finance, AI-powered trading algorithms can analyze market data and execute trades with split-second precision. Additionally, AI is increasingly used in scientific research to model complex phenomena, predict outcomes, and uncover novel solutions to intricate problems. The analytical prowess of AI, driven by its ability to process vast datasets and simulate scenarios, showcases its potential to tackle challenges that exceed human cognitive capacity. Challenges and ethical considerations. While AI's capabilities are undeniably impressive, the question of whether AI can replace human intelligence is far from straightforward. There are profound challenges and ethical considerations that come into play. First and foremost is the question of consciousness and self-awareness. AI, as it exists today, lacks consciousness and self-awareness, the very qualities that define human intelligence. AI operates based on algorithms and data, devoid of subjective experience or understanding. This fundamental difference highlights the distinction between AI's narrow intelligence, optimized for specific tasks, and the broad, adaptable intelligence of humans. Ethical considerations also loom large in discussions about AI's potential to replace human intelligence. Issues related to bias in AI algorithms, job displacement, privacy concerns, and the impact on human relationships are just a few examples of the complex ethical terrain that AI navigates. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, addressing these ethical challenges becomes imperative to ensure that AI complements and augments human intelligence rather than replacing it. The path forward: collaborative intelligence. In envisioning a future where AI and human intelligence coexist harmoniously, we must recognize that collaboration between the two is not only desirable but also necessary. AI can be a valuable tool in enhancing our understanding of the world, solving intricate problems, and augmenting our creative endeavors. Education and learning enhancement. AI-powered educational tools and personalized learning platforms can adapt to individual student needs, making education more accessible and effective. These systems can identify areas where a student may need additional support and tailor lessons accordingly, helping to bridge educational gaps. AI can provide instant feedback and engage learners in dynamic ways, transforming the educational landscape. Healthcare advancements. In the field of healthcare, AI can empower medical professionals with diagnostic tools that analyze medical images and patient data with unparalleled precision. AI-driven drug discovery can expedite the development of treatments and therapies, potentially saving lives. Additionally, AI can assist in monitoring patients' health and well-being, providing early warnings of potential health issues. Scientific discovery. AI's analytical capabilities are invaluable in scientific research. From simulating complex biological processes to predicting climate patterns, AI can sift through vast data sets and identify trends that human researchers might overlook. This collaborative approach accelerates scientific discovery and innovation. A symbiotic future. In the quest to understand whether AI can replace human intelligence, it becomes evident that AI's capabilities are remarkable but fundamentally distinct from human cognition. AI excels in specific domains, offering unparalleled speed, precision, and scalability. However, it lacks the holistic, adaptive intelligence and consciousness that define human beings. Rather than framing AI as a threat to human intelligence, a more fruitful perspective is one of symbiosis. AI has the potential to be a powerful ally, augmenting human intelligence and capabilities in ways that were once unimaginable. By harnessing the strengths of AI, its analytical prowess, linguistic acumen, and creative potential, we can embark on a journey of collaboration and co-evolution. This journey, characterized by responsible development and ethical considerations, holds the promise of enhancing our collective intelligence, addressing complex challenges, and unlocking new frontiers of knowledge and discovery. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.